In today's video, we'll be making Ivan chai, a traditional drink from the Russian far north made from oxidized fireweed leaves, similar to the way that green tea leaves are processed into a black or a red tea. It's the height of summer in Alaska, and it's the perfect time to gather and prepare this Ivan chai, so I'll see you in the field.
So you could take this whole plant all the way down. I would prefer to keep it in place so it can continue blooming.
Alright, so we are back after harvesting. It's been about 24 hours. I have let these leaves, wash them, let them dry. You can see they've dried just a tad bit too much. They're not fully dry, but they are getting a little crispy. So ideally what we're looking for with this pre-drying process is that we have this thick rib, and we want this rib to come together. And not make a snapping sound. So that's perfect. Soft, so that when we roll it, for the most part, it stays in one leaf. What we don't want is that right there. So we'll take a little handful and then literally just roll. Roll. You want these juices to come out. So you can see it's starting to change color. That's perfect. I'm gonna roll this just a tad bit more. And it is falling apart because it was dried a tad bit too much, but that is okay. It will still taste delicious. So ball number one into the bucket. All right, so we have our rolled fireweed. It already smells so good. I wish y'all could smell this. So I will update you as this changes. This is gonna sit in here for at least one day, maybe 2 days. The color will change, the scent is going to change, and just to be fully upfront, I am going to put a lid that is just slightly wet still, just to introduce a tad bit more water in there. It has now been 24 hours of oxidizing. The fireweed is slightly darker. It smells really wonderful. It's kind of sweet. So now I'm gonna put it into the dehydrator for about 12 hours at 95 degrees. 95, up to 115. All right, that fireweed tea is done. You can hear the crunch. It is crispy, it smells delicious. Let's make some tea. All right, the tea is done. So let's give it a pour. Let's see how it tastes. Definitely smells good. It smells fruity, it smells sweet. It's a nice color. It's very hot. But it's good.